Did you know that impulse buys might be quietly draining your financial potential? You're standing in line, see something small but so tempting, and just like that, you're a few dollars lighter. But what if you could turn that moment into an opportunity to make smarter financial decisions instead? Stick with me today as we dive in the psychology behind impulse buys, why they happen, and most importantly, the actionable tips that can help you save more, spend smarter, and stay in control of your finances. If you're new here, I'm Tanya, a chartered financial analyst with 15 years of experience in the financial industry, and I'm here to help you navigate the world of personal finance with practical advice and simple tools. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because if you don't subscribe, you'll probably never see me again. But if you do, you're one step closer to mastering your money and building wealth on your terms. Impulse buying isn't just a habit, it's almost a reflex that's fueled by emotional triggers. And retailers know exactly how to spark that urge by setting up buy now, think later situations, especially with the convenience of online shopping and one-click payments. When I first started out, I noticed that a lot of people, even those with higher incomes, would regularly make unplanned purchases that eventually kept them from reaching their financial goals. And that was a wake-up call for me. And that's also when I started to recognize these triggers in my life as well. So what separates smart spending from impulse buying? Smart spending is about aligning purchases with long-term goals, needs, and, here's a big one, priorities. It's about asking yourself, does this purchase really fit my goals? Or is it just a quick fix? So here's a tip for you, and a bit of a challenge as well. Try the 24-hour rule. When you're tempted by something that is not essential, step back, wait a full day, and then see if you still want it. Most of the time, the urge fades, and that's when you'll thank yourself. Here's the thing, impulse purchases usually come down to a few common triggers, be it boredom, stress, and even a little reward mentality. Think, I worked hard, I deserve this. Recognizing your own triggers is half of the battle. And I'll tell you, for me, it's online shopping after a long day. So this is what you gotta do. Make a list of items you tend to buy impulsively, and then track how often you actually buy them. Because becoming aware of the patterns is the first step to controlling them. Now let's talk about a simple but very effective way to shift from impulsive buying to smart spending. I'm talking about smart spending plan. This means budgeting not just for your needs, but also for a little bit of splurge allowance. When you know you've set aside money specifically for non-essential items, you're much less likely to make spur-of-the-moment purchases that derail your financial goals. And here's a pro tip. Try separating your needs from your wants by creating a short list before you start shopping, whether online or in store. If it's not on the list, skip it or just add it to next month's list instead. Now here's the best part of these exercises. As you reduce impulse purchases, you'll find out that you have more money left for savings and investments. And these leads directly to wealth building, because every dollar you can save and invest can be put toward your goals. Imagine cutting just $50 a month. That's $600 a year that you can be investing. Remember, taking control of your spending isn't about giving up what you enjoy. It's about making choices that lead you to a better, wealthier future. And if that's what you want, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm cheering for you. Bye-bye.